Hey guys, this is an update to the IKEA shelf video I did last summer. In that video, I showed you how you can put up some IKEA Lack shelves without having to use nails or screws on the wall. Instead, they were held in place with some 3M command strips. 5 or 6 months later, they're still up and haven't fallen down. Like I mentioned previously, they can't hold a lot of weight, but they can hold some figures and miscellaneous items. If your walls are dirty or dusty or very porous, it might not hold as well, so make sure that they're clean. I don't put heavy items or anything that can break or hurt you if it fell down, so make sure you do the same. So here you can see that I loaded it up with a bunch of stuff. I have a NES Classic, a couple of pop figurines, as well as Pixel Pals, some Rubik's Cubes, and some Game Boys. And that's kind of the stuff I usually display on these type of shelves. And on the top I have a few boxes, and they aren't too heavy. I'd probably say they're like 5 pounds, probably no more than that, and they seem to hold up pretty well. So yeah, there's a few other pop figures up there, as well as a Pokeball and a motorcycle and a 4x4 puzzle cube. And of course, this only works on corners because you need at least 2 sides to be able to support the shelf itself, because if you just only had one side, it would just flop over. So I'm a huge fan of these 3M command products. I use them not just for shelves, but using them to hang paintings and photos. Here I'm using these 3M command hooks to hold up this large canvas photo. It's been up for about a year now, and it hasn't fallen down. And for this clock, I use this 3M command nail hook, I think, and it's able to hold up this clock for quite a long time. This clock's probably been up for about 2 years now, and it hasn't fallen down at all, so I'm actually very impressed. This clock probably weighs like 10 pounds, 10 maybe 15 pounds, because it seems pretty hefty. Anyways, that's it for this update. The command products from 3M is great for apartment dwellers who want a non-destructive way to hang stuff on the walls. These are just some of the ways I use it, so hopefully you found it useful and it gives you some ideas. Links to the things I mentioned should be in the description. Comment, like, share, subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.